Okay, let's visit yung place that I grew up here in the city. So on the right side, ito yung Catholic Church. Dito, they call this Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage Parish. Dito ako umiikot. Ito yung mga area ko, paikot-ikot, no? Yung ano to, yung area ng dito, right side. But daan muna tayo dito, no, before we go to somewhere. Diyan yung sa SP. This place, no, yung building na yan, yung old building on the left side na maraming mga signage, you know. Dito we stayed here for more than a decade. Dito we rented, no, itong place na to. Ito yan, no, may J.R. Santos Foundation. So up and down, no, we rented yung place na yan. Vividly ma-recall ko yung childhood days dito. So this is Nuestra Señora de la Paz na place. Dito yung area na yung grounds namin na tinalaroan, grounds. Kaibigan na yung pare dito. But we're actually Protestants, but yung priest here is very friendly, no? Palagi kami dumadaan sa dress shop ng mother ko. And this area, believe it or not, itong right side na to, yung kanal, dito kami kumukuha ng goldfish. Malinis rin dyan saan talaga that time, no? Itong right side na yun, no? Dito, this area na sa Notre Dame to, no? Notre Dame Girls. Wala pang ano to, yung mga culverts dyan, close na kasi, but before open yan, no? Tapos you usually walk here, no, yung kalye na to going to the school, no, where I studied on the right side. Yan, this is the Yangas South Elementary School. Diyan ako nag-graduate. This is a public school, no, by the way. Diyan ako nag-graduate. And of course we graduated there with the highest honors. Happy tayo dyan on the right side. Okay, of course ito yung bilyaran. Nandyan pa rin yung bilyaran, no? Nandyan pa rin yung mga bilyaran. Okay, signing off tayo.